Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream Minecraft with Intel UHD Graphics. Let's begin. So in order to stream Minecraft smoothly, you are going to download the OBS Studio application. This is the one that I currently use. And then you are going to go to the top right corner and you're going to click on File. You will then go and click on Settings. Once you're done clicking on Settings, you are going to select Output. So once you've selected Output, you are going to go to the heading which is Streaming. So under Streaming, these are some of the settings that you can change. Now, if you have a low-end system, then what you can try to do is you can try to reduce the video bitrate by clicking on this downward arrow right there until you can see that the stream is very smooth for Minecraft. Second option that you can change is the encoder preset. So it says here, very fast, default, medium CPU usage, standard quality. Now, if you have a really low-end CPU and it doesn't really play that many games, and streaming is a difficult challenge, then what you can try to do is you can just try to reduce the settings here. So very fast default, medium CPU usage, standard quality. So they're ultra fast, low CPU usage, lowest quality, and then super fast. But keep in mind, when you change these encoder presets, it's going to drastically reduce the quality of the recordings. So just keep that in mind. But if you don't mind the reduction in the quality, then you can just select ultra fast, low CPU usage, lowest quality. Then once you're done, you are going to click on Apply. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.